So traditional advice says you gotta stash away 25 times your annual expenses. But new data shows you can actually quit the rat race years earlier with just 20 times your expenses, as long as you swap rigid withdrawals for flexible guardrails. First, let's talk about the risk and the whole robotic flaw. Aiming for 20 times your expenses is inherently riskier because of something called sequence of returns risk, basically a massive market crash right after you retire. But, most failure models totally ignore human behavior, assuming you're just a robot who blindly takes big inflation-adjusted raises every single year, even while your portfolio is crashing. Second, the guardrail solution completely fixes that flaw. To make the rule of 20 safe, you just gotta adapt. If your portfolio drops, well, you simply skip your annual inflation bump. Research shows that only happens roughly once every 4 to 6 years. And hey, if things get super rocky and your withdrawal rate spikes over 6%, you just accept a temporary 10% spending cut to stop the bleeding. Finally, we need to separate your needs from your wants. For most of us, Social Security covers the survival basics, meaning your portfolio is really just funding the fun stuff. Since wants are flexible, you can totally absorb those temporary cuts, like taking a fun backyard vacation instead of an expensive cruise, without actually hurting your survival. Ultimately, a smaller portfolio absolutely works if you're willing to be flexible and treat your budget like a living thing instead of a fixed obligation.